Hello, Royal Family. Happy Saturday. I am back with another video. But before I get started, I want to say thanks to all of my new subscribers and thanks to all of my ride and die subscribers. Mrs. O really appreciate it. Don't think I don't. Sometimes I'm just in too big a hurry to get the video out that I don't truly thank you guys. But again, thank you. And also, I want to do a culinary segment on my channel, but you guys, I gotta have some type of feedback. If you guys want to see it, you have to let me know. If there's not a market for it, I'm not gonna do it. So comment below and let me know if you would like to see it. I got some pretty good skills and I'm pretty knowledgeable. You know, I think it would definitely be worth your time. But anyway, enough of that said. Today, we are going to do a strawberry lemonade pound cake. Oh yeah, Miss So Sweet Tooth is kind of going. And then I want to do banana bread with a caramel walnut sauce. I know. We gotta stay away from these sweets, but those two are on my radar. But anyway, I'll be right back. Let's get started with the ingredients. Hang tight, don't go far. Okay, here we go. I have 1 lemon here. I have a pound of strawberries. I have a box of strawberry jello. I have let me move this out the way, 2 sticks of unsalted butter that is softened. I have Wesson canola oil. I have baking soda. I have strawberry extract. I have flour. I have sugar. I have milk. I have baking powder. I know this is a big one. I use this for my scones. So this is baking powder. I have salt, and the key ingredient is lemonade. Frozen, concentrated, 100% natural flavors. Please do not buy the bottled lemonade. It would not give you the intensity of the lemonade flavor. But let me show you what I already did to shorten the time because this needed to cool. I did, I'm gonna say half a pack of these strawberries. I cut them up and I added 2 tablespoons of the concentrated lemonade, no water, anything else, and a tablespoon of sugar. I put it on simmer and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And this is what you get. And this is what we're going to do with the cake. When I tell you the flavor, you know, when it's really good, you say sick. It is really good. And also, I forgot to show you guys, of course, 5 eggs that we're going to need for the pound cake. So let me get everything measured out. I'll come back and we'll put this train on the track. Okay, in this bowl here, we have 2.5 cups of sugar, 1 3-ounce box of strawberry jello, 2 sticks of butter, a 1/2 cup of canola oil. And always remember, for a pound cake, you want to cream your butter and sugar for 5 minutes. So if you have to put a timer on it, please do. It will give you the most moist and delicious pound cake. All right, I'm about to turn it on and time it for 5 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, I have beat it for 5 minutes, creamed it, let's say that. Creamed it for 5 minutes, and now what we're going to do with the 5 large eggs, we're going to add them one at a time. And I'm going to say let it beat for 20 seconds. No, let's go with 10 seconds for each egg. And once we do the eggs, then I want us to add 1 teaspoon of the strawberry extract. All right, I'll come back and show you how it looks after I add the eggs and the extract. Okay, here are the mixture after I've added the 5 eggs, and I've added a teaspoon of strawberry extract. And I forgot to tell you guys, I want you to take a spoon of the strawberry mixture, and let's do 2 tablespoons in here, because we want some of those strawberries incorporated in. Okay, now I'm going to mix it. Then we're going to do the flour and milk addition, and we'll be done. We'll be ready to put it in the oven. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees while you're doing your pound cake. All right, here I have 3 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I did not need the baking soda, but 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to do the dry wet mixture. We're going to add flour first, then add some milk, add flour first, then add some milk, and we should end with the flour. All right, I guess I can show you guys, just in case if there's some newcomers. Okay, so this is what I want to do. Oh, you see how that just spewed out? Okay. Okay, now we've added the flour. See? I'm sorry, I should have been showing it. Now we've added the flour. Now let's add some milk. See the milk going in? Okay. And then we're just going to rotate it back and forth. Flour, milk, and don't put your mixer on high, because you still want the air to be light and fluffy for the pound cake. All right, this is the last step, you guys. All right, here we go. In the oven at 325 degrees for an hour. I'm gonna say check it at 1 hour and 15 minutes. And please do not open up your oven door until after an hour, just to check. But I'm gonna say between 1 hour and 15 minutes or 1 hour and a half, depending on your oven. We are done with the cake. Then I'll show you how to decorate it. All right, see you guys in about 1 hour and a half. Okay, the pound cake for me took about 1 hour and 20 minutes, and I let it cool for 20 minutes. Then I inverted it on a plate. Some people like their pound cakes up. I prefer my pound cakes down. For me, it gives me a flat surface and a better presentation. But anyway, this is what we're going to do. You remember the strawberries that I cooked and let cool? We're going to take this silicone brush, and right now we're just going to brush it with the juice. You see that? So we're just going to brush it all around, because we want all of that goodness. So just brush it all around, and even if there's strawberries that's left on top, that's fine, because I'm going to show you at the end how it will look. So when I come back, I will show you guys the beautiful finished presentation. All right, Royal Family, here is the finished presentation of the strawberry lemonade pound cake. Let me give you a closer look, because I don't think my light is really adjusted. Can you see that? And you see the strawberries that we cooked with the lemonade? I just glazed the cake with that. And look at that. I mean, that is gorgeous. All right. Now, you know you have to show the people if the pound cake is moist or dry, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna turn it around. Oh, and I just took some lemons, sliced them, kind of down the center and then turn them. And then on my previous videos for the strawberry cake and the key lime, I showed you guys how to take strawberries and fan them out. But anyway, here I go. I want you to see this. Now, this oven, I'm gonna have to adjust it some, but I want you to see this. Can you see that? Okay, I don't know about this light. Hold on. Oh, wow. Okay, let me show you this. I want you guys to see this. Show you. You see? It shows it's moist. If it's dry, it won't crumble like that. Look at that. Oh, I'm just dropping it. Hold on. Let me get a bigger piece. I mean, this is so freaking good. I will post the entire recipe down in the description box below. But thank you guys for watching. Please share and subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And also, you guys, give me some feedback on the culinary segment of Mrs. O. But again, I messed up on the light because it is not doing it justice. But I'm gonna take this bite, but it's moist. You see that? Not a dry pound cake. God bless you, and I'll see you next week, or I might come on tomorrow. Just depends how busy I get. But thank you guys again for watching. God bless you.